Alright, so today we're going to be showing you how to trace the circuit for a power mirror circuit for a 2007 Toyota Camry. For this particular scenario, we're going to be moving the right mirror in the up operational switch. So first you want to come down to your select switches, and we're going to be operating our right select switch. So you want to close both of these switches into the right position. And then our operation is going to be up, so we come over here. We're not going left or right. We are going left or up. We are going up, so we're going to close this switch. And we are going up as well over here, so we're going to close this switch as well. And then, as you can see down here, I've made a little key. This is our power color, so we're going to trace it straight from our instrument panel right here. Coming down right to here, then it's gonna come over here, straight down to here. Wait, can you cut this real quick? Can you stop it? Yep. Alright, so we're gonna continue tracing our power right here, and then our load color is yellow, so this motor is gonna be loaded up with all of our power. Then we're gonna trace our ground circuit. Just gonna follow it from the back of the motor all the way up through here, over to here. Bam, bam, bam. All the way up to here. Go across our switch right here. And then we're gonna go all the way over here, parallel to the power. Come down here. Back down through this over here. Cross, boom, boom, boom. And now we have grounded our circuit in the center of the dash. All right, so for circuit 2, we're gonna be hooking our leads appropriately and testing a voltage drop check across pins 3 and pin 6 of the outer mirror switch. So our pin 3 is right here, which is a brown wire, and our pin 6 is right here, which is a black wire. So we got our leads hooked up appropriately with the ignition on. We have our voltmeter set up right here, and when we go to operate the right mirror and the down movement, we should see a voltage drop of about 11.7 volts. 11.5 volts, which means our mirror's operating properly. Right here we're doing a voltage drop check across pin 3 and pin 5 of our right or hour mirror window. So we have one lead hooked up right here at pin 3. We have our other lead hooked up over there at pin 5. Thanks to our helpful assistant, Stefano. And when we operate our switch, we should see a voltage drop of less than 100 millivolts because we're just testing a small wire. We're losing about 8 millivolts, which was within our spec. Good to go. So for our next test, we're going to be testing a voltage drop test across pin 6 and pin 2. Our pin 6 is right here at the outer mirror switch, and our pin 2 is right here. So we're testing voltage drop across our ground side wire. So when I go to operate our switch, we should see millivolts. About 113 millivolts, which was within our spec. All right, so our next test is going to be a voltage drop check across pin 5 and pin 2 of the right or outer view mirror. So we have our pin 5 right here and our pin 2 right here, a black wire and a brown wire, both back pin. Then we're going to have our helpful assistant, Stefano, operate the mirror in the down position. We should see a voltage drop of about 11.6 volts. 11.6 volts, so our mirror's good. You filming? Yeah. All right, so we're performing, now we have disconnected our outer mirror switch. We have disconnected our switch over there. We are performing a ohm test between our pin 3 of our outer mirror switch and pin 5 of our mirror. So we are performing a voltage drop, or a resistance test between this pin right here and this pin right here. So we're getting an ohm reading of 1.5 ohms, which was within our spec. All right, so now we're performing a ohm test between pin 6 of the outer mirror switch and pin 2 of the right outer rear view mirror. So we're performing a ohm test between this connector right here and this connector right here. And our ohm rating is about 1.3 ohms, which was within our spec.